Hello, grade 4 students. This is teacher Harriet and welcome to our online class. So today we're going to use your students book and your extra and friends workbook. Okay, so our subject for today is English. Of course, this is our subject for today, English, and our topic will be some and any. Okay? So let's read this your vocabulary. Vocabulary number one, burger. 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 Number two, sausage or sausage. Sausage. Number three, pizza. Pizza. You're going to change this one into T and then like this. Pizza. Pizza. Number four, thirsty. Thirsty. Number five, chicken. Chicken. Number six, chips. Okay, we have here the same sound, chicken and chips. Number seven, there is. Number eight, there are. Number nine, some, and number 10, any. Okay, so we have here same sounds, the same sound, there is, the, thirsty, and there is, and there are. Okay? So these are your words for your vocabulary for today. Now, our topic for today is about your affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Okay, so before we move on with our main topic, some and any, we need to know what's your affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Okay, so what is affirmative sentence and negative sentence? Affirmative sentence expresses the true sentences. Okay? They tell true sentences. Okay? Oh, this, we have here the word, pasatay word for the word expresses for you to understand the word express. Okay? So, example. Okay, we know the affirmative sentence if it tells the true or fact, the answer true answer okay? So number one, we have here a picture. Okay, she has some apples. Okay, meaning the sentence is positive. Okay. Number two, he has some apples. Okay, the sentence is positive, so you're going to. So this is a word affirmative. It's either affirmative or positive Okay. Next, negative sentence tells that something is false. It has the word not. Okay, so negative sentence has the word not in it. Okay, not, haven't, hasn't, didn't, doesn't. Or have not, has not, or did not, or does not. Okay, and we also have aren't or are not for plural, are not or aren't, and is not for isn't. Okay? Okay. We have here negative sentence. Again, it has the word not, meaning the sentence is negative. Okay? Or haven't, hasn't, didn't, doesn't, aren't, or are not, is not, or isn't. Kaujay Okay, this is for negative sentences. So we have here an example. So she hasn't got any apples. Okay. She hasn't got any apples. So this is a negative sentence. Next, he has not got any apples. Okay, it's either hasn't or has not, meaning that's always a negative sentence. Okay, grade 4 has not. Next. Let's go to your affirmative sentence and negative sentence difference. Okay? As you observe in number one, she doesn't have the word not. Demay? Not. So, This is a positive sentence. Okay? So, let's read na. Number 1, she has got some candies. She has got some candies. In negative sentence, he has the word hasn't. Hasn't, meaning the sentence is negative. Okay? Hasn't, so the sentence is negative. Number 2, can I eat some apples? Okay, so it's positive. There you go. Number 2, you don't have any apples in the fridge. So the answer is negative. Number 3, can I get some milk? Okay, it's positive or affirmative. It's either positive or affirmative. Same naka. Okay. Number 3 also in negative sentence, there aren't. Okay, we have here the word aren't or are not. So meaning the sentence is negative. Number 4, there are some eggs on the table. Okay, so the sentence is positive. So, number 4, there aren't any eggs on the table. So, that we have here the word aren't, so the sentence is negative. Okay, Kajaimai, if we have these words, hasn't or the word not in a sentence, meaning that is negative. Okay, grade 4. Hasn't, don't, aren't, or are not. Are not, has not, do not. Same okay? It's just short word. Next, choose if the sentences are affirmative or negative. Okay, so we have here some activities. Number 1, can I have some apple? Can I have some apple? Is that positive or affirmative or negative? 3, 2, 1. The answer is affirmative or positive. Number 2, I don't have any apple. I don't have any apple. Okay, we have the word don't. So the sentence is negative. Number 3, there isn't any rice on the table. We have the word isn't or is not. So the answer is negative. Next, are you following along? Number 4, is there any cup in the bag? Is there any cup in the bag? Okay, the sentence is affirmative. Number 5, there is some hats in the box. Okay, there is some hats in the box. We don't have the word isn't or the aren't or haven't or doesn't. So the sentence is affirmative. Okay, always remember, if you see this word isn't and don't, haven't, have not, has not, does not, do not, or doesn't, is not, are not, or aren't, or isn't, meaning those are your negative sentence. Okay? Kaujay mai? Okay, I hope you understand this one. Next, let's go first. Let's learn your countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so noun. What is noun again? Okay, let's remember what's noun. Noun is a name of person, places, things, or animals or ideas. The one you're thinking, ideas. Next, countable. What is countable? Countable are nouns. Here you go. Nouns, what are your nouns again? Name of person, things, animals, places, or ideas. Okay, so countable, nouns that can be counted. You can count them. Okay, you can hold them, you can count them, you can see them countable okay? Example number 1, we have apple. It's either apple or apples. Banana or bananas. cake or cakes, sausage or sausages, egg or eggs, chicken or chickens, burger or burgers, pizza or pizzas, hot dog or hot dogs. Okay? Countable. You can count them. You can count them. Okay? If you can see 5 apples, meaning that is countable. Nakaw? Next, uncountable. Uncountable. Nouns. What are your nouns again? Name of person, name of place, object or things, places or animals, and ideas. Those are your nouns. So nouns, uncountable, are nouns that cannot be counted. You cannot count them, okay? Example, milk. Can you count milk? You cannot say milks, demay. It's wrong. Okay, so milk, that is uncountable. Ice cream, this is uncountable. Orange juice, this is uncountable. Rice, this is uncountable. Can you count the rice, a bag of rice? Okay, hair, uncountable. Grass, uncountable. Rain, uncountable. Can you count rain? No. Water, you cannot count water. But if you say, for example, we have here bottle of water. Okay, bottle of water or water. Meaning this will already be countable because of the word bottle. But if it's only one, water only, it's uncountable. For bottle, we have countable. Okay? I hope you understand this one. Okay, so choose if the given word is countable or uncountable. Okay? The first word is pizza. Pizza. Is this countable or uncountable? It's countable. Number 2, cookie. Countable or uncountable? 3, 2, 1. It's countable. Water. Countable or uncountable? 3, 2, 1. Uncountable. Milk. Can you count milk? Is that countable or uncountable? 5, 3, 2, 1. Uncountable. Apple. Can you count apple? Yes, so it's countable. Rain. Can you count rain? No, so it's uncountable. How about grass? Can you count grass? No, so it's uncountable. There you go. These are some of your examples. You can search in the Google if you like to know more words about countable and uncountable. Okay? Some and any. Okay, there you go. We're already in our main topic. Some and any. Okay, so some, positive, used when the sentence is affirmative or positive. Okay, so you use the word some if the sentence is affirmative or positive. Okay. We have here example Example, the sentence should be affirmative or positive. It's positive. It should be positive before you use the word some. Example number 1. She has some chocolates in her bag. Okay, so we don't have the word hasn't or isn't or haven't. So we can use the word some. Okay? Number 2, there are some eggs on the table. We don't have the word aren't. So we're going to use the word some, okay? Because it's positive sentence. Number 2, there is some milk on the fridge. Okay, the sentence is positive, so we use the word some. Number 4, there is some rice on the table. So it's positive, so we're going to use the word some naka. Okay? How about when you are asking a question about the word some? Okay? Use when you are offering something, you are giving something to a person, okay? This one, I wrote here some pasatay words for you to understand this word, naka, okay? Or asking for something, you are asking for something, we have this here, pasatay words, naka, okay? So let's take a look at this example. Example, if you are making an offering or if you are offering something to someone else or to a person or you are asking something, you we always use the word you, daimai. You or I naka. So number 1, do you like some chocolate? Meaning you are offering this chocolate to someone. Do you like some chocolate? Okay, so we have here the word you. This one, you. Okay. Would you like some eggs? Okay, you're asking someone. We have here the word you again. Can I drink some milk? Can I drink some milk? We have the word I here. Can I have some rice? So we have the word here I also. Naka. Okay, always remember if you're going to ask a question about the word some, meaning you're offering something or you are asking for something or a request, okay? And we always use the word you and I in the word some. Okay? Next, any. Okay, any, we use any when the sentence is negative. Negative. Okay, I've told you what's the word for negative again, so you will know if that's negative or positive. We have the word hasn't, doesn't, do not, or don't, aren't, isn't. Okay, Mai? So we have here some example. The sentence should be negative before you use the word any naka. Okay, number 1. She hasn't any chocolates. She hasn't any chocolate in her bags or she hasn't got. I'm sorry, I forgot to write here got. The word got. Okay, she hasn't got any chocolates in her bags. Number 2, there aren't any eggs on the table. Or you can also say there aren't uh, she hasn't or haven't got any eggs on the table. Next, there isn't any milk on the fridge. And the last one, there isn't any rice on the table. So, again, the sentence are negative, 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 negative. So, we're going to use the word any, any, and any naka. Okay? Got it? Next. Used in making question. Okay, how do we make questions using the word any? Okay. We don't use the word you and I in making a sentence using any. Okay, my me you and my me I. No, we will not use this word in this question. Okay, so number 1, number 1 first, are there any bananas in the fridge? You're not asking, Daimai. So we don't have the word you and I. So are there any bananas in the fridge? Okay, so we use the word already, any. Number 2, are there any eggs on the table? We have there any. Okay. We don't have you and I. So Number 3, is there any milk in the fridge? Is there any milk on the fridge? Okay, so that's correct. And in number 4, is there any rice on the bowl? So you and I, we don't have my, me, you, and I in the question of any naka. Okay? Kazemai? There are and there is. Okay? There are used for plural noun. What is plural again? Plural is two or more items or two or more nouns naka. Okay, Mai? What are your nouns again? Okay, remember what are your noun? Noun, name of place, name of object, name of things, name of place, ideas, animals. Alay ka rin naka. Two or more noun. เข้าใจไหม? There is used for singular, only one noun. Naka. Okay? So we have here rules to follow in some and any. For there is and there are. Okay, so for there is for singular and there are for plural. Naka. So some noun becomes plural when it's countable. So we're going to use the word there are. Here, there are. Nouns are always singular when they are uncountable. So we're going to use the word there is. Okay? But be careful also because we have the words like banana, only one. So we can use the word there is. Naka, okay? But if the word banana has S or it became plural, meaning you're going to use the word there are. Naka, okay, Mai? Example for the word some. Bananas. Okay, we have here bananas. We can use this one, there is, if there's no S here. Okay, if it's only banana, there is some banana. You can use this, the word is naka. Okay? But if the sentence has S, this one S, you can use the word there as because there are because it's already plural. Okay, you need to know your plural and singular. Those are the basic in making sentences. Number 2, apples. There are some apples. Why? Because apples are countable. So you can use the word are. And this S, we have here, this is already plural naka, okay? Because it has S. Same with bananas. Next, milk. Milk is uncountable, so there is some milk on the table, so you can use the word there is. Number 4, orange juice. That is uncountable, meaning that is already singular. So you can use the word there is some juice in the fridge. Kaujay And for the last one, rice. Okay? Rice is singular. So we are going to use the word there is some rice on the bowl. Naka, okay? Any. We have here rules naka. Noun becomes plural when it's countable. And the other one, oops. Noun are always singular when they are uncountable, okay? So if the nouns are uncountable, also same rules with the word samnaka, okay? So let's take a look at this example. Any, okay? We can use also the word here, same in samnaka, okay? There isn't any banana if the banana is singular. Okay, singular. Okay, if it's only one banana, you can use the word there isn't any banana. Okay, if may ni S there, you can use the word isn't. Kauzemai? But if there is an S there, you can use the word aren't because for plural. Okay? So, but the bananas, there aren't any bananas. Number 2, apples. there aren't any apples. Milk, there isn't any milk on the table. 4. Orange juice, there isn't any juice in the fridge. And the last one, rice, there isn't any rice on the bowl. Okay, so why any? Because of the word again, aren't. Aren't, isn't. Okay? The sentences are negative, so we use the word any. This one. Next. Let's go to your student's book, page 16. We're going to answer your book na ka. Okay, let's try answering this one. We're going to use the word there is and there are. Number 1, blank some cake. Okay, is cake countable or uncountable? It's countable, so you can write there uh, there is some cake. Okay, next. Burgers. Can you count the burgers? Yes, it's countable, so you can use the word there are some burgers. Number 3, some orange juice. Can you count orange juice? No. So there is some orange juice. There are some bananas. Yes. There is some rice. Yes. And number 6, there is some hot dog. Oh, this one is the one I'm talking about a while ago. Okay, the hot dog. This is countable. Hot dog is countable. But there's only one hot dog, so we don't say they're hot dogs. But if we say hot dogs, you can write the word are, okay? Because it's singular. There are some hot dogs. There. Okay? There are some hot dogs if there are 2 hot dogs in the table. But if it's only 1, you can use the word is. Okay? Next. Look, read, and complete. Use some or any. Okay, we're going to use the word some and any. We're going to look for the orange juice. Orange juice. Is the sentence positive or negative? The sentence is positive. So we're going to use the word some. Okay, sorry. This is a question. I'm sorry. One more time. Is there any orange juice? We use the word any because it's asking a question without the word you. You and I. Okay, my, me, you, and my, me, I. So we use the word any. Okay. Oh, I forgot this one. Next. Even teacher can forget this one. Okay, but I know you can answer this one by your own. Okay, Lynn. No, there isn't. There's some milk. Okay, the sentence, we're going to start here. Look, the sentence here, it's positive, so we're going to use the word, or affirmative, so we're going to use the word some. Next, Cindy. Is there blank ice cream? Okay, so there's no you and I, so we're going to use the word any. My, me, you, and my, me, I, so we use the word any. Next, Lynn. No, there isn't. But there are, we're going to use the word, example, if we have the word but, we can use, the sentence will already be positive, okay? If we use the word but, that sentence become positive. This is considered as period. But, so this is another sentence again. Okay? So there are some bananas. You can write the word some. Next, are there blank oranges? Are there blank oranges? The sentence is a question. Oh, it's a question. My, me, you, and my, me, I. So we're going to use the word any. Next, Lynn. Yes, there are blank oranges. Okay, the sentence is positive. So we're going to use the word some. And the sentence is positive too, so we're going to use the word some or affirmative. Okay. There you go. Page 17, activity 4. There are your answers. These are your answers. Okay, so I hope grade 4 you've understand our topic for today. And if you have some question, you can ask from our group line naka, okay? Thank you so much, grade 4. Have a nice day. Goodbye.